Hello, friends, welcome to the world of knowledge. Today we will learn daily routine vocabulary. We will learn 10 important daily routine words in English, Spanish with sentences. Let's begin.
Wake up.
Despertarse.
Wake up. I wake up early.
Despertarse. Me despierto temprano.
Get up.
Levantarse.
Get up. She gets up at 7 o'clock.
Levantarse. Ella se levanta a las 7.
Brush teeth.
Cepillarse los dientes.
Brush teeth. I brush my teeth every morning.
Cepillarse los dientes. Me cepillo los dientes cada mañana.
Wash face.
Lavarse la cara.
Wash face. He washes his face.
Lavarse la cara. Él se lava la cara.
Take a shower.
Ducharse.
Take a shower. She takes a shower at night.
Ducharse. Ella se ducha en la noche.
Get dressed.
Vertirse.
Get dressed. I get dressed quickly. Get dressed.
Vertirse. Me visto rápidamente.
Have breakfast.
Desayunar.
Have breakfast. We have breakfast together.
Desayunar. Desayunamos juntos.
Do homework.
Ir a la escuela.
Do homework. I do my homework in the evening.
Ir a la escuela. Hago mi tarea por la tarde.
Go to school.
Hacer la tarea.
Go to school. The children go to school at 8.
Hacer la tarea. Los niños van a la escuela a las 8.
Go to bed. Sleep.
Acostarse. Dormir.
Sleep. She goes to bed at 10 o'clock.
Dormir. Ella se acuesta a las 10.
Excellent work. Today we learned 10 daily routine words. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have a breakfast, go to school, do homework, and go to bed. Practice these words every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The World of Knowledge. See you tomorrow with day 2 of our daily routine vocabulary. Thank you.